How to log in Spotify app. Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, make sure you have downloaded the Spotify app on your mobile device. Then simply tap on the Spotify app and here on the home screen tap on the login button available there. Once you tap on the login, you will get to see the login methods for the Spotify on your screen. Now here you can see email, username and password. Now once done so, enter your registered email, username and password, then tap login, or else go back and tap on the Google option available there. Tap continue with Google and log in with your Google account. Again go back and tap on the Facebook and log in with your Facebook credentials. Or if you are using iOS, then you will get to see continue with Apple option available there. You can simply use Face ID or Apple ID for authentication, and that is it. Since my account was logged in with Apple, so I chose the Apple method. And if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.